Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions as well as some fog in the region this morning. Going to see as temperatures start to rise and move in the late morning and the afternoon hours as we have a warm front moving through the region. Going to see some rain shower activity throughout the morning. We'll see most likely a break in that rain shower activity once we move in the afternoon hours. Then we'll see a fairly strong area low pressure developing off to our northwest, as well as a frontal boundary pushing towards the region for the late afternoon evening hours, and that's going to give us a chance of some strong to possibly severe thunderstorms across the region. The Storm Prediction Center has put out a slight risk for severe storms across our area today, so could be seeing a severe thunderstorm watch or tornado watch issued by the Severe Storm Prediction Center for this afternoon. But overall, for today, we'll continue to see the cloudy skies, periods of showers, and those thunderstorms most likely during the late afternoon and the evening hours today. Take a look at our sounding from this morning. Our freezing level is 11,700 feet, winds out the southeast at 1,000 feet around to 15 knots, and seeing our winds out of the southwest above that, increasing with height up to 63 knots at 25,000 feet. Our current surface analysis, we do have an area low pressure well off to our west. We'll see this area low pressure. It's currently over the Appalachian Mountains, continuing to deepen as it moves off to our north and west today, and that's going to give us a warm front moving through the region, and currently is moving through the region this morning. I'll switch our winds out of the south this afternoon, bringing in some warmer air as well, especially inland away from the coast here at Wallops. Should be in the upper 50s to lower 60s throughout much of the day, and then once that cold front here seen off to our west moves to the region during the late afternoon evening hours, we'll see a quick jump in our temperatures up in the upper 60s, and then they'll continue to fall after this cold front moves to the region. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have lots of clouds across the region today. That's going to be the case for the remainder of the day with low clouds in the region, especially for this morning into the early afternoon hours, and we'll see cloud ceilings possibly rise up to about 1,500 feet, maybe 2,000 feet during the late afternoon hours. Once we get fully in the warm sector of this area low pressure, should see those ceilings start to rise a bit, as well seeing a possibility of a few peaks of sunshine. And with that ceiling rising, as well as a few peaks of sunshine, will increase our instability across the region. We do have a strong wind field from the surface up through the upper levels today, giving us good shear, and that's going to give us a chance of those strong to severe thunderstorms for later this afternoon and evening hours. Taking a quick look at the radar imagery this morning, you do see we have some showers that just moved through the region this morning, seeing a few showers develop off to our west as well. But overall, just going to see some periods of some light rain to possibly moderate rain this morning, and then for the early afternoon hours, should see in general just some cloudy skies across the region. So taking a look at the HERM model for today, you can see we do have the showers moving through for this morning, and then we'll see some possibility of a few showers developing this afternoon. But overall, looks like we'll have a period of some dry weather for the early afternoon hours today, and then we'll see these thunderstorms start to fire across central Virginia for this afternoon, moving towards our area for late this afternoon in the evening hours, and bringing that activity through the region from about 4 to 8 o'clock this evening, and possibly seeing a lingering shower thunderstorm until about midnight as well. But overall, the best chance of that shower or thunderstorm, especially thunderstorms moving through the region between 4 and 8 o'clock local this afternoon or the evening hours. Let's move into our overnight hours. We'll just see some breezy conditions with that front moving through, and winds will calm towards dawn, and we'll see winds pick back up during the afternoon on Thursday. We'll see additional upper level disturbance moving through the region. It's going to give us a chance of showers, a very slight chance of a thunderstorm for Thursday late afternoon. And taking a look at the European model for the next few days, you can see here that strong area low pressure down to 988 on the European model, off to our north and east by this evening, moving through the region today. And then for tomorrow, we'll have this upper level low kind of moving through the region, giving us another chance of some showers, as I mentioned, for Thursday afternoon and Friday. A very similar situation, another disturbance pivoting through this upper level low, giving us a possibility of a few showers on Friday afternoon as well. And Saturday looks like we could continue to see some brief showers in the afternoon hours. Most likely not going to see those on Saturday, but can't rule out a very slight chance of seeing that on Saturday afternoon. And Sunday looks like we'll finally get out of this pattern of showery type weather with just in general high pressure and control. And then for Monday, looks like we'll have a disturbance trying to move towards the region from the west Monday afternoon, increase our cloud cover across the area. So depending on how quickly this disturbance moves through the region, could be giving us more cloudy skies for the eclipse on Monday. But overall, we'll continue to monitor that forecast, and it looks like right now should be decent weather for Monday, other than just some cloud coverage across the region. So taking a look at a risk chart for today, as I mentioned, we'll have our best chance of thunderstorms between 16 and 20 local. We'll have a 20% chance this morning until noon, and as well as a 30% chance from 20 local till midnight. We'll have those low ceilings in the region throughout the day today, with in general ceilings below 1,000 feet today. As far as our rain chances go, we'll see that red condition this morning, yellow between 12 and 1600 local, and then a orange condition between 16 and midnight. We'll see winds becoming gusty this afternoon, especially once that warm front moves north of the region, becoming slowly 12 to 16 knots, gusts 26 knots. Our windiest conditions will come briefly after that cold front moves through the region, right around 2300 local to midnight, and we'll see those winds gusting anywhere from 40 to 45 miles an hour with that cold front moving through. And winds will calm tomorrow morning, southwest 5 to 10 knots. As I mentioned, today will primarily be in the upper 50s during the afternoon to lower 60s, and we'll see a brief rise in our temperatures in the upper 60s once that cold front does approach between 16 and 20 local. This evening, we'll see a high around 68 degrees, a low tonight around 46. Our tides are about a foot above normal at this time. And looking at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, mostly clear to partly cloudy in the morning, becoming mostly cloudy to overcast, the chance of a shower, very slight chance of a thunderstorm in the afternoon and evening, be breezy, high of 60. For Thursday night, slight chance of a shower, a very slight chance of a thunderstorm during the evening, becoming partly cloudy to slightly breezy, a low of 42. And for Friday, partly to mostly cloudy and breezy, a slight chance of brief shower with a high of 57 degrees. So the next 7 days, we'll have those continued chances of rainfall from today through Saturday with the likely conditions today. We'll see scattered variety to our showers on Thursday at 40%, isolated on Friday at 20%, and very slight chance on Saturday of only a 15% chance of a shower. Temperatures will be in the mid to lower 50s for Friday and Saturday, as if we see a warmer day today, 60 on Thursday. And then we'll see our temperatures start to rise back towards the lower to mid 60s for Monday and Tuesday, after we see temperatures around 60 on Sunday. We'll just see anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy skies from Sunday through Tuesday, with in general fairly seasonable conditions across the region. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. And back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.